values on the trigonometric circle. So using we want to find the cosine of 3 pi over 4. That's clearly in a radian mode, right? Because there's no degree symbol. So knowing the unit circle gives us a big advantage here, because if you know your unit circle, cosine of 3 pi over 4, well, 3 pi over 4 is located right here on the unit circle. And the coordinates of that point are, let's see, it's a negative x, so it's going to be negative rad 2 over 2, comma, positive y, which is a rad 2 over 2. And that point right there, the cosine is the x value of that particular point. So the cosine of 3 pi over 4 is negative rad 2 over 2. So knowing the unit circle values is kind of like knowing a times table. You know your times tables, you can quickly rapid fire some multiplication facts, and same with trigonometry. The one, the green one, is sine of 120 degrees, but this one's in a negative direction, So I'm going to come down clockwise this time. So we're coming through the circle like this. We go through negative 90 and we go another 30. So negative 120 is located right down here, and the coordinates of that point are negative 1/2, comma, negative radical 3 over 2. Negative 1/2, comma, negative rad 3 over 2. So the sine, which is the y coordinate, would be negative radical 3 over 2. And that's the final answer for sine of negative 120. This blue one should be a little further over than the green one is, so you can see it's a little bit further over. Okay, why don't you try a couple on your own here, another sine and a cosine on your own. Try the cosine of 225 and the sine of negative 5 pi over 6. Okay, first, assuming you paused it, tried it on your own. Cosine of 225 degrees is a good fair way around the circle here. It's going all the way up here 90, and then further to 180, and then halfway towards the 270. So it's the one located right here. That's the 225 degree marker. And its coordinates are negative rad 2 over 2, comma, negative radical 2 over 2. So since the cosine is the x value, the answer to this problem is going to be the negative square root of 2 over 2. On the other hand, next we have a sine of a negative 5 pi over 6. So again, I have you going clockwise this time. Starting from here, we're going 5 pi over 6 in a clockwise direction. So now we're coming back over here, back to over here, and it's about pi over 6 short of the 180, or the pi radians there. So it's the one that's located here, and the coordinates at that point were negative radical 3 over 2, comma, negative 1/2. So for the green, we want the sine, so we're going to take the y coordinate, and therefore the answer to that problem is negative 1/2.